One by one, tiny handmade bricks are carefully placed. A thin layer of smooth cement is spread evenly. Faces are large wintrance. The wall stands strong, transforming the empty foundation. Every frame is measured before being fitted. Tiny wooden frames are sanded smooth. Clear acrylic sheets are added as from wooden strips. Tiny hinges allow it to shine through the crystal-clear windows.
It's time to build the roof. Thin wooden beams are carefully placed. Decorative tiles are added in rows. Tiny tools create transforms the structure into a luxury villa.
With the roof completed, finishing begins. Primer and elegant paint give it a luxury look. Stone panels are added to the front. Small wooden trims are fixed beneath the roof. The villa now looks elegant and complete.
Let's create a beautiful outdoor landscape. Fresh green artificial grass is gently placed around the villa. Tiny stone pathway, miniature flower beds are arranged. A sit at a cozy space. Let's decorate the interior. Tiny wooden flooring is carefully cut. Miniature walls are painted. Kitchen cabinets are placed. A sofa is aligned. Vases are added. LED lights. Fee structure is now a luxury home.
The miniature villa enters its final stage. Curtains are hung and rugs are placed. Small plants and artwork are arranged. Garden lights illuminate shines beautifully.
The miniature luxury villa is complete. Every handcrafted detail is revealed. From glowing lights to the peaceful garden, it is a symbol of dedication. Thank you for watching.
As the sun sets, our miniature villa glows. Every handcrafted detail reflects hours of patience and creativity. Please like, subscribe, and support the channel.